Do you want to win this epic Yamaha MT-09 SP for just 99p? Then follow the link, enter the competition, because you could be joining over 1,000 Apex 66 UK winners. The live draw we broadcast on the Apex 66 Facebook page. Want to see the bike in the flesh? Come and see us at Motorcycle Live at the NEC in Birmingham. This exceptional SP is the hottest version of the MT-09 range. Top spec, of course, with adjustable KYB forks and Olin shock. It really does have all the tasty bits. Yamaha's MT-09 SP is renowned for being one of the top roadsters in its category. The handling is off the charts. And of course, being an MT-09, the power delivery from that CP3 engine is spectacular too. 113 brake horsepower and 89 Newton meters of torque. This beast is certainly worth owning. I'm Deano from Apex 66. If you want to win motorcycle prizes just like this, then head to apex66.co.uk and check out what competitions we've got live right now.